friends, Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay. Hope all of you are doing well. Thanks for watching my show. Airs Sundays at 6 p.m. on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page, and thank you for watching. On this edition of Cooking with Jay, I'm going to make some chorizo sausage, a chorizo sausage with a Trofie Pasta with tomatoes and basil. Yummy. So chorizo pasta, which is kind of a smoky, spicy Spanish sausage, and the heat level in this sausage can vary. It actually can vary from region to region. Some of the seasonings can vary from region to region, but it's pretty much a Spanish concept with the chorizo sausage. So chorizo sausage with a Trofie Pasta with tomatoes and basil, and put a little tarragon in there as well, and some garlic and some onions. So you ready to see me make this dish? All right, let's get cooking. Let's go over to the stove, and in the saucepan here, I have some olive oil. I'm going to add this chorizo sausage. I will also add these little cherry tomatoes in here as well. All right. Now, the sausage can come cooked. A lot of it is sold already cooked, but you can get it in its raw form, and you can make little meatballs out of the sausage. Or if you buy it cooked, you can just pretty much heat it up, and it's already nicely seasoned. You don't have to worry about that. And here, this pot, I have my Trofie Pasta boiling for, I don't know, I guess probably 4 to 7 minutes, depending on your preference in doneness. Okay. And it's already smelling delicious. Okay. It's already smelling yummy. And at about the 4 or 5 minute mark, this has been boiling now for about a minute, I'm going to check the texture of this pasta. And it's fascinating how many different kinds of pasta that's made in this world. There's a lot of pasta, delicious pasta, various shapes, configurations, and textures, that sort of thing. But this chorizo sausage is fabulous. I love it. Now what I want to do next, I'll add a little bit of some garlic. Yeah. All right. A couple of cloves, maybe 3 cloves of some finely minced up garlic in here. And I want to add some onions. All right. Add some onions. All right. Yummy. Just make sure the pieces don't stick together like they are right now. You want to get the onions cooked in and the garlic. Okay. And here, the pasta, let's check this pasta. Let me see. I doubt very seriously if it's ready. Oh, one that got away. Try another one. Slippery little things. I keep doing this, I won't have any pasta left. Oh no. Oh, way to go. All right. I'm saying at least another 3 minutes in that pasta. Chorizo sausage with some tomatoes, onion, garlic, and I'm going to throw some basil in here in a little while, and some a little bit of tarragon last. And keep in mind as well that the sausage has a lot of sodium in it. So you don't have to worry about adding a lot of salt. All right, so what I'm going to do now, add a can of diced tomatoes, all right, and a little bit of tomato paste. Just a little bit. Tomato paste in that. Mix that in well. But what I will add in here, even though there's some heat, a little bit of heat on this sausage, I'm going to add some black pepper in here as well. Okay. And a little bit of white wine. I want to mix this tomato paste in here though. Get it going well. My Trofie Pasta is cooking over here. Okay. So now add a little bit of a wine. I tend to like a Sauvignon Blanc. Not quite a cup, maybe half a cup. And I also like to add a little bit of chicken broth. Okay. Not much. Okay, not much. So a little white wine, a little bit of chicken broth. And I want to add some black pepper and just a pinch of salt. Okay. Not much salt. But add some black pepper. Didn't take that because I didn't think I was going to be using any salt. But nice healthy doses. Some black pepper and just a little bit of salt. Okay. All right. Okay, a spoon, a trusty spoon. Turn this up a little bit. Okay, so what we have in here again, I put some olive oil in the pan, heat it up, dice up some chorizo sausage. I add the sausage, I get some cherry tomatoes, put some cherry tomatoes in here as well. Cook for a few minutes. I add some garlic, a few cloves of finely minced up garlic, just a little bit of onions, not quite a half a cup of diced up onions. Stirring well, mix up. Then I add a little bit of white wine. I use a semi-dry Sauvignon Blanc. You can just use the wine without the chicken broth, but I also add a little bit of chicken broth in here as well. So the garlic, the onions, the diced tomatoes, can of diced tomatoes, a little bit of tomato paste, a tablespoon of tomato paste in here as well, and let that cook just for a few. And over here, the Trofie Pasta. Right? Interesting texture. Now this, last but not least, I'm going to add a couple of more things. Some fresh basil in here. I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan. Just a little bit. That's it. There. Some grated Parmesan cheese. Turn this down a little bit. Mix in that basil and the cheese. Oh, it's delicious. delicious. And now I have just a few leaves of tarragon, fresh tarragon, to add in there as well. Okay. Wow, that aroma. Such an interesting array of aromas coming out of this saucepan with the chorizo sausage and the tomatoes and the basil and the tarragon and the garlic and the onions. Just delicious. I think this pasta, the pasta that will never get ready, should be done here any moment. Dante, yes. I want it raw in the middle. And it's a small, narrow pasta. Trofie or Trofie Pasta. It's narrow, but it's compact. It's wound tightly, you know. So to get that heat, oops, dropped one in there, but that's where it's going anyway. You know, to cook the center of that, you got to make sure you cook it enough and long enough to get it to where you want it. Okay, I think my pasta is for the sauce. I'm going to turn this off. Oh, that looks yummy. And, okay. Now, I'm going to try this. We'll look at the time here. So probably about 11 minutes on this pasta, 10, 11, 12 minutes, depending on your taste. I like mine al dente, so, and I think we're just about there. All right, so I'm going to take this off the fire. Go over to the sink here. Of plates out here. So this beautiful pasta on the plate. Some Trofie pasta. Chorizo, sausage, tomato, basil. My dish for this edition of Cooking with Jay, you'll need that to help you eat it. My chorizo sausage with Trofie pasta or Trofie pasta, cherry tomatoes, diced tomatoes, onions, garlic, fresh basil, some tarragon, a little white wine, tomato paste, and a little chicken broth in here as well, some garlic. Yummy, a little salt, pepper. Yummy dish. I'm Jay Sennett. Thank you for watching this edition of Cooking with Jay, which airs Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. Don't forget my Sennett in Session Jazz Show, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings for you very late birds from 1 until 5, and Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5. And I also host the very soulful R&B Chronicles on WHRV-FM, Friday nights from 7 until 8. Okay, until the next edition of Cooking with Jay, be safe, friends. Be well, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you. Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Cooking with Jay is now even more jazzy in my new home with my chef's kitchen. I'd love for you to check it out. Join me Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media. Let's get cooking.